Here is a Mul-T-lock key cutting machine. Is always generating a new key. As you see here on the top, there is A, B, C, D, X, and Z. Here is the number between 0 all the way to 5 with the X in the middle, with S as well. That's the way to duplicate a Mul-T-lock key. It can be interactive or interactive plus, or even the classic one. You can copy all of them. It's a really great machine, heavy duty. I think you get warranty for like 1 year. You need to be careful with the blades, especially when you cut interactive keys, because you can break them. They're about $250 for a set of blades. Just be careful, but this machine is really accurate, very good machine, heavy duty. Thank you.